If you have kids, pets, or even just a busy daily routine, your car can go from clean to chaotic very quickly. Between food crumbs, muddy shoes, hair, spills, and odors, it doesn't take long before your car starts feeling less like a vehicle and more like a mess. But the good news is, you don't need expensive products or professional detailing. These 10 practical car cleaning hacks are designed for real-life mess. They're affordable, easy, and, most importantly, they actually work. Let's go through them. 1. Rubber gloves for pet hair. If pet hair clings to your car seats, especially in the corners, damp rubber gloves are a game changer. Just wear the gloves, rub your hands across the seats, and watch the hair stick right to them. It's faster than vacuuming and works great on cloth and carpet. 2. DIY seat cleaner spray. Food spills and drink stains are common when you have passengers. Mix warm water, white vinegar, and a small drop of dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray lightly on fabric seats and gently scrub with a brush or microfiber cloth. It's safe, effective, and leaves no strong smell. 3. Baby shampoo for leather seats. Leather requires gentler care. Mix a few drops of baby shampoo with warm water, dip in a soft cloth, and wipe down your leather seats. Follow up with a dry cloth to remove any moisture. It lifts dirt without drying out the leather. 4. Slime gel for hard-to-reach dust. Dust and crumbs often build up in cup holders, gear shifts, and button gaps. Use cleaning slime gel, the kind used for keyboards, and press it into the small areas. It grabs debris instantly and leaves those tight spaces clean without any damage. 5. Keep a portable vacuum in the trunk. Sometimes it's the small daily messes that build up. A compact 12V car vacuum in your trunk means you can clean up crumbs, dirt, or hair on the go. Even a 2-minute cleanup once a week helps prevent buildup. 6. Ice cube plus spoon for sticky messes. If chewing gum or melted candy sticks to the seat, don't panic. Place an ice cube on the sticky area for a few minutes to harden it, then gently scrape it off using a spoon. It's effective and won't damage the fabric. 7. Baking soda bomb for odors. Odors from pets, spilled drinks, or even moisture can linger in the car. Place an open container of baking soda under a seat or in the trunk. It naturally absorbs odors over time and leaves your cabin smelling neutral. 8. Window cleaning wipes in the glove box. Fingerprints and haze on windows build up quickly. Pre-moistened window wipes stored in your glove compartment make quick cleanups easy. A fast wipe after driving keeps visibility high and glass streak-free. 9. Toothbrush for seat rails. Dirt and crumbs often collect in the tracks under the seats, where the vacuum doesn't always reach. Use an old toothbrush to loosen the debris, then vacuum it out. This simple trick keeps your car seats sliding smoothly. 10. Keep a small cleaning kit in the car. The best way to prevent mess is to be ready for it. A small cleaning kit, with a microfiber cloth, spray bottle, hand wipes, and trash bag, helps you handle spills or smudges right when they happen, before they become stubborn stains. Real life is messy, and your car is part of that life. But with these 10 smart and simple hacks, you can stay one step ahead. No stress, no expensive products, just easy, practical solutions. Whether you're driving kids to school, taking the dog to the park, or just commuting to work, these small efforts go a long way in keeping your car clean, fresh, and organized. If you want a video on an interesting topic, let me know in the comments, and I will make the next video for you.